Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Bulgarian ebook before it's gone.
Welcome to your 2000 Core Bulgarian Words and Phrases video series quiz. Each week, we'll be releasing a video to teach you new vocabulary. And then the following week, you'll be given a quiz so that you can test your progress. Click the link in the description and let's learn and review the words for your test. But if you're ready to go, it's quiz time! Предавам. Издател на вестник. Репортаж. Предавам. Новина. TV station. Edit. Cartoon. Program. Channel. Great job on completing the quiz! Hey, if you didn't get 100%, don't worry about it. Just check out the previous video again to review the expressions we covered. But before you let you go, we have a free gift for you that you don't want to miss. Use it to expand your vocabulary. Click the link below to download our free Bulgarian ebook with the 2000 words for daily situations. I hope you like it.